Good day. Today we're going to look at composition of transformations. Now, really, we're just looking at multiple transformations to one figure. Now, I'm actually going to do number 3 and let y'all try numbers 1 and 2. All right, for this, what appears to be a rectangular square, it says rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now, I do have added in, this is the same thing as if it would have said or 270 degrees clockwise. Make sure you know how to go in between both of those. Either way, our rule for 90 degrees counterclockwise is first to flip the X and the Y. So for my image H, I'm going to flip the 2 and 2, so I have 2 and 2. Then you're going to negate the new X value. For I, I'm going to flip the 2 and the negative 2. So I have 2, negative 2, and negate the new X value. For the J, I'm going to flip them, negate the X, so it becomes positive 2. And lastly, the K, I'm going to flip them and negate the X, so it's positive 2, positive 2. The next thing we do to this figure is reflect it over Y equals X. Y equals X is quite easy. We're just flipping the order, 2, negative 2. I is negative 2, negative 2. J is negative 2, positive 2. And K is 2 and 2. So we're finished with the reflection. Dilate by a scale factor of 2. So I'm just multiplying by 2 on each coordinate. For negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, negative 4, positive 4, and 4, positive 4. I am now finished with number 3. Now I want to note 2 things briefly and we'll be done. The first one, for my apostrophes, the tick marks, on my first image, I had 1 tick mark. The next block, after I transformed it a second time, it became my second image. And I have 2 tick marks. On my third one, I dilated by 2. It has 3 tick marks, but because we're done, we call this the final image. It is the third image, but it is also the final image. Okay, there's my answers, I'm done. So here are 1 and 2. Pause the video. All right, here's your answers. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great rest of your day.